GuidedSMILE offers a special prosthetic material called Ivotion. It is a milled material that's generally used for dentures, but it is the strongest denture prosthetic material made to date, and it can be screw retained, which makes it a perfect long-term temporary or even possibly a permanent screw retained restoration for patients that perhaps can't otherwise afford zirconia, don't want to go through the full process, so they stop at the temporary, long-term temporary product. It's called Ivotion. It's fantastic. You can upgrade when you're ordering GuidedSMILE, or you can order it in a delayed fashion. Go through the regular GuidedSMILE and then have an Ivotion milled prosthesis used for your long-term or final restoration at the time of restoring your full arch case.